Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Tahir Rezayan. I'm from Maulana Malik Ibrahim Stage Islamic University. Today, I'd like to present my research with the title The Representation of Multicultural Education in Film Raya in the Last Region. This research done by me and my partner Mufiha Ulia. This presentation will be divided into 5 parts. Okay. The first part is introduction. This digital era has provided space for people to explore knowledge through various platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. The existence of this freedom provides an excellent opportunity for dialect and culture acculturation. Of course, to deal with the phenomenon, we must be ready to understand cultural diversity and communication technology. The concept of multiculturalism has long been presented as the middle point of this diversity. Multicultural presents a discussion on equality in the diversity on ethnicity, race, ethnicity, religion, language, and social class. The film is one of the media that represent the multicultural concept. Representation in film can create a paradigm that indirectly influences the audience's mindset. Various methods and media have been used to introduce the concept of multiculturalism. The internalization of multicultural values in various media is carried out to make it easier for people to understand the genuine concept of multiculturalism. The film is defined as a communication medium that conveys messages through a scene. The film is an entertainment medium that has a role in spreading ideology or persuasion to the audience in seeing social reality. Among various genres of film animation is one genre that can attract the attention of various levels of social of all ages. Animated films are easier to accept because they have a weak storyline and are full of moral messages. Okay. The multiculturalism represented by the film Raya and the Last Legend is interesting to study more deeply. See how multicultural values are well packaged in films to convey internalist message to enjoy. Therefore, this research was conducted to know what form of representation of multiculturalism are in film Raya and the Last Legend. In addition, this study also aims to find out how the film is used as a forum for character building in understanding multiculturalism. The result of this study are expected to show how the concept of multiculturalism is essential to be understood by all levels or society at various age level. One of the public animated film in great demand is Raya and the Last Legend. Asifa Hollywood announced that the film received an award from any award in the Best Animated Film category. In addition, as reported by www.voaindonesia.com, one of the most exciting about the film Raya and the Last Legend is the representation of multiculturalism in the form of togetherness, which is the red thread of cultural diversity of Southeast Asia. This film tells the story of life in a fantasy land called Kandra or Kumandra, a land where people from different tribes can live in harmony with guardian dragons. Okay. Literature review about the multicultural education. What is mean multicultural education? It's a learning about the cultures in order to produce accepted or at least coherent of this culture. Multiculturalism emphasizes the discussion of quality and integration in cultural diversity to create communication and harmony in culture. The discussion in multiculturalism will dwell on ethnic, class, culture, race, language, social class, and religion. Understanding the multicultural concept is about how the value contained in it can be implemented in life. Among these multicultural values are mutual respect, tolerance, unity, cooperation, and inter-ethnic solidarity. Okay, this research was conducted using qualitative methods, which the type of textual research. The primary data in this study is the film Raya and the Last Legend. The data are in words, sentences, dialogue, and pictures. The data in this study were obtained in several ways, including watching movie, making notes on dialogue, plots, scenes, cast, and other movie elements such as sound and lighting. The data in the study were then analyzed using John Fick's semiotic theory with three stages of analysis: the level of reality, the level of representation, and ideology. Okay, in the first finding and discussion. Okay, the first level is reality. The first quote is appearance, divided into three parts: appearance, behavior, and environment. The first is appearance. Appearance, in this film, each tribe has its traditional clothing, and appearance. This film represents the diversity between tribes in appearance, where appearance represents the personality. So indirectly, each tribe has its distinctive character. Second quote is behavior. There are different in the behavior that is reflected in each tribe. These differences make each tribe have a different response in dealing with problem. It's so a representation in diversity that gives birth up to different mindset. The third quote is environment. In this film, various background of different places are depicted. Among the most prominent are the island differences between tribes. Each tribe has its place according to the region map. Their tribes include heart, fangs, claws, tails, bones, and heart. Apart of these tribes, there are other background places, including water. In this film, water is depicted as a symbol of peace. Second is desert. The desert is depicted as a representation of crisis and destruction. Okay. And the second level is about representation. The first quote from the second level is narrative. This film narrates the meaning of unity and equality represented in diversity. After the split caused by selfishness and the loss of trust between character and tribes, this was done. Mutual trust, mutual help, cooperation are the keys or where finally every tribe can unite. Second quote from the representation level is the conflict in this story begins with the rupture of the Sisu camp. The breaking of the camp represents the destruction that comes when selfishness and betrayal cause division between tribes. The third of the level representation is character. Each character in this film represents the meaning and message conveyed indirectly. Some of these characters are follows. First is Raya, main character, firm, stance, confident, brave. Sisu, welfare. Namari is thought, intelligent, and considerate warrior. Tuk is loyal. Little Noi is manipulative. His character who likes to steal and cheat is not correlated with his cute, funny, and inconsistent face. The next, Bone, mature but fragile. Ongis, a cunning swindler. Penja, idealist and visionary. Virana, brave, authoritative, and cruel. Tong, strong, fierce, but loving. And last rune, destruction, born of human strength. Okay, the last level will presented by my partner.
Okay, thank you for the time. The last level is level of ideology. From the result of the analysis at the two levels above, the findings indicate the internalization of multicultural values. Some of them is first is multi mutual respect. This film depicts in the existence of several traits such as fangs, tails, claws, bones, and hearts. The existence of this diversity indicates a form of learning that we must be able to adapt to the differences in the surrounding environment as social beings. The middle point of the difference is mutual respect. By building mutual respect, we can minimize racism and division. By respecting by respecting each other, we have indirectly appreciated the existence of cultural plurality. Second is mutual trust. This film represents the value of mutual trust between characters, making difference not as divisions but as unifying tool. The existence of mutual trust between characters is represented in the form of the last dragon gemstone, which, if the stone breaks, then indirectly the split has begun. The division is the result of a lost mutual trust. Therefore, the second foundation after mutual respect is the mutual concept of mutual trust. The last is mutual understanding. The attitude of mutual understanding gives birth to a moderate mindset defined as open mind, which leads to intercultural dialogue. Mutual understanding is represented in the form of conflict resolution in the film. The problem is the division between tribes so that the thrones become more robust and powerful. The only thing that can fight thrones is mutual understanding and trust. When the villagers started to understand each other, the thrones was finally wiped out. It shows that what can be middle point of diversity is mutual understanding. Okay, next is conclusion. In the conclusion, from the research results that have been done, it can be concluded that this film represents a multicultural concept in attitude, appearance, environment, narrative, conflict, and character. The values of multicultural are internalized into the film so that the audience can easily understand the concept of multiculturalism. The concept of multiculturalism itself is about mutual respect, trust, and understanding. This understanding of the concept was born an attitude of acceptance, tolerance, communication, and intercultural harmony. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.